As I promised myself, babalik ako dito sa Nanyang to try their traditional toast at ang pinag-uusapang coffee sa social media. So I ordered a toast set meal for 168 pesos. OMG, it is so affordable. So itong toast set meal nila is you can choose any traditional toast and I choose the Hainanese Kaya with honey traditional toast with 2 soft-boiled eggs plus coffee. At pwede ka ding pumili kung anong coffee ang gusto mo. Mayroon silang coffee oat, and coffee seed. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng coffee nila. Pwedeng cold or hot, but I choose cold. And this is the way how you eat the Kaya toast. Crack the eggs, add soy sauce and white pepper. Mix it and dip the Kaya toast and bite like this. Oh, ang sarap! May pagkatamis yung feeling niya and perfect yung pagkatostado ng tinapay nila. At inumin na natin yung coffee nila. OMG, ang kape nila ay super big, sakto ang tamis at tapang ng kape nila. And imagine for 168 pesos, may kape, tinapay at 2 itlog ka na. Yun lang. Happy time everyone.